Hello! To change size of the lock screen clock on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, let me quickly explain how to do this. First of all, you have to go into the settings. From here, go into the wallpapers and style. And here you have your themes, so simply select your current theme or anything that you'd like to change the clock. And press it, select it. And right now, you can't actually directly change the size of the clock by adjusting the corners of this widget like this. There's no way actually to do this, but what you can try to do is press on this widget, and from here you can change the clock style. And right here we can see that this clock style has a little bit bigger font than this one, and this one also has bigger font, but it's different. There's a different position of these numbers, but this one's a little bit bigger, for example. And you can also change the clock font. And from what I was trying to see, this font and this font are the biggest available right here. These are actually kind of smaller, so if you want smaller clock, you can change the font, the thickness of this font, and you can set up this one. Probably this one's the smallest, and these two are like the biggest. And yeah, you can also try to adjusting this size of the font, and that's actually the only way to adjust your clock size. There's actually, you cannot do this manually, like however you'd like, but you can try having fun playing with these settings right here. And actually, let me just show you. We can also try changing the settings. Try changing the size of the clock by going into more themes. And right here you have three types, and you can try the cover one. And this one might actually be also a little bit bigger than the previous one, the classic one. As you can see, this one might be actually a little bit bigger, and apart from it, you can also change the position to the left or right of this clock, as you can see, just like this. And here you can also change the font size and the font itself. So that's how to do this. Thank you for watching.